This is Shadow afraid of an outlet. This thing right here, he is afraid of. Scared shitless. Now watch. There he is. Aww. Aww. Come on, kitty. Come on. Come on, let's go on it. Come on.
The introduction of
the outlet. Here comes the outlet.
Shadow.
Don't walk too fast.
Shadow. Shadow. Hey. Hey. Shadow.
Where'd he go?
He's walking.
What's that? What's that? Okay, come here.
Touch it? Oh. Okay.
Turn careful. Come on. Come on.
Look, Shadow. Come here. I'm gonna put it right here.
Oh, there he goes. Where'd he go? He wants to go outside.
Open the door. I'm gonna chase after.
No!
Yeah, do it.
No.
Do it. No, seriously, do it. Do it. Alright, open the back door.
No, that's too mean.
Go. Open the back door.
Shadow, go outside. Okay, he really wants to go outside. Okay, Jordan's gonna chase him.
Block.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Alright, start opening. Start opening. Go.
This. Okay, come on, that's enough. He's goofy.
Why are you so scared of him?
I don't know. Come on, Chap. Come inside.
He's not going in there.
He's gonna go pee now. No, I guess not. He's so cute. He's wagging his tail.
Alright, shut up.
No. No. Come on, Chap. Go in there. He's like,
He's gonna stay with you. He's gonna wait until you walk over.
Come on, where'd you put it? Oh, is it up there again?
He's looking for it.
He's looking for it. It's okay, Shadow.
Shadow.
You don't like that. Oh. It's hard keeping him in the camera. He's a big freaking goon. Come on, Shadow. Leave me alone. Go. He's like, whatever. Bring him in the room, Jordan. He don't trust you after that. He hates you.
He does.
Look at his eyes. He wants to eat your face. Come on, Shadow. Come on. Get on it. Come on. Shadow, come on. Get up here. Come on. Get there. Get the. Yeah, it's not up there this time. It's okay. Get there. Go. Get there. Good boy.
Right.
Good boy.
Let's leave the room and see if he follows us. I put it on the door.
Okay, we put this on the ground to see if he'll follow us.
He keeps staring at
And now he's staring at us. He's all sad. But he's pathetic. He's scared of an outlet. Whatever. Let's see what happens. Alright. Leaving the room now. See if he follows us. But he can't because it's blocked. Sorry, Shadow. Come here, Shadow.
Come on.
Bye, Shadow.
Come on, Shadow. One cookie? Come on.
The light's all on the camera.
Shadow.
Come on, Shadow.
Shadow, you want a cookie?
Come on.
A cookie?
Want a treat? Come on. He looked down at it. No, don't turn that. Oh, okay. That's better.
Come on. Come on.
How do I zoom
Oh, you
in?
big pussy.
Go out there and see if you can make him come out here. Well, I can't. I'm gonna film him and then push him and see if he'll want to come out. Be careful. He'll be pissed. Aw, he's so sad. He's like, I hate all of you. Come on, Chow. Come on. Come on, Chow. Come on. Is he growling? No, not yet. He's looking down at the outlet. Ooh, excuse me. Uh-oh. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, nope. Careful, Jordan. Oh my goodness. This has got to be the funniest thing in the world. But I can't laugh too loud because it's like 1 o'clock at night.
Look at him cowering.
Is he cowering? Aww. Is he not the cutest thing in the world? Aww. If he wasn't so cute, I'd throw it at him. But he's cute. Look at his face. I'm gonna zoom in on this cute little puppy's face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh! Did you just... Oh. Alright, we're gonna be done torturing the little puppy. Say bye, Shadow, after this is on the bed. Oh, there he goes. All gone. Nope. Well, Jordan, that's it, right? Oh my god.